The things we need to do all this have to be obtained from the environment. We get them from places like forests, farms, and mines. Water is used in the factories and then the wastewater is let into rivers. All this has an effect on the environment. If the environment is harmed, it has harmful effects on all living things, and man is no exception. Let us now study the effect of growth of the population on the environment. Children, a census was done in the year 1951. Census means counting of people. The population of our country was 37 crores at that time. Children, population means total number of people living in a particular place, a city, a state or a country. That is Lok Sankhya in Marathi. A census was done again in the year 2011. At that time, the population of our country was 121 crores. It means in the last 60 years, the population of our country has tripled, means increased 3 times. It is still growing. So, the demand for all those things that we need to take from the environment has increased many times over, due to which we face problems like unemployment, that is shortage of job, work, shortage of water, and to build these new houses and colonies, the trees there had to be cut down. People could not get employment in villages. Children, employment means job or work. So they began to live and to go to the cities in search of work. Cities became crowded. The population in the cities grew beyond limits, means increased too much. Cities began to experience a shortage of water. There were not enough houses for everybody. So people could not find a place to stay. There used to be open spaces and fields around the cities. New colonies came up there. And to build these new houses and colonies, the trees there had to be cut down. In cities, one has to travel long distances to get to work. अपने काम पर पहुंचने के लिए लोगों को दूर दूर तक जाना पड़ता है. So people in cities began to buy vehicles that run on fuels. In all big cities, these vehicles spew smoke as they are driven around. Children, smoke means dua, a poisonous gas. The smoke mixes with the city air. As a result, people begin to have breathing problems. Instances of asthma and other lung disorders begin to increase. Trees have been banished from cities. So, birds do not find places to build their nests. They also find the smoke in the city air troublesome. They are no longer sure of getting water when they are thirsty. So there are fewer and fewer birds in cities now. The number of butterflies and other insects is also falling. Because of the increasing population, the drainage system in cities fails sometimes. Then the water collects in the midst of living areas. Mosquitoes grow in it. They spread diseases like malaria, dengue, filaria, and chikungunya. Children, we will continue the remaining part in the next video. You have to read the lesson thoroughly. See you in the next video. Happy learning!